The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021, Day 12. And the sun rises here at Hazel Acres. We'll be picking here again today. We've got some nut clusters that are starting to fall to the ground. Things are ripening up very quickly now. So we're gonna get on it, and first we gotta make some room in the bin. We have a full drying bin. Well, there's a bird's eye view of a full bin. So we got to move some things around, make room, because we got more nuts to pick. Here we're checking each bush to see if it's ripe, and if it is, we're marking it with the flagging tape. That way the pickers know which bushes are ripe and ready to go, and which ones to skip over because they're not ripe quite yet. Well, that'll do it from Hazel Acres, the Great Hazelnut Harvest, Day 12. Let's see how we did.